What you ding dang diddly fellers doing over here nether yonder ways? No, I'm just kidding. Nobody's that Texan. This is Blazing Wind again, and I'm gonna do another video because I'm still messing around with the low light stuff on this GoPro 6 Black. I turned off the low light. I got probably just about as much light as I did this morning when I tried to fly. I got a little more wind right now, but we'll see what happens. But before I do this crash-tacular or spectacular flight, I want to give a special thanks to all the people that are RC pilots that I subscribe to on my YouTube channel. And just so I don't forget anybody, I'm gonna hold the phone up. And some of these guys do RC cars and stuff too. So this guy I just subscribed to today, he has some awesome videos. CTRC Fly-In 2011. Check out his stuff, he's pretty cool. And VJM Aviation, I just subscribed to them today. They have like 8.9 thousand subscribers, 72 videos. They're doing some cool stuff. And Lace One RC and Fun out of Denmark. He's a really cool dude and really crazy RC pilot. And then the Hobby Master, he does a lot of car stuff. Simon Webb does a lot of car stuff. And Jovan Disgagny over there out of the Netherlands too. I believe he's in the Netherlands. He goes Jovan O on the internet. So Jovan Disgagny, he's a really cool pilot, does some really cool stuff. And let's see, Banshee Rider 619, cool stuff. The Wriggler 123, he has some cool videos. He's got 8 videos, but hey, he's doing more stuff. And also subscribes to the Aero News Network. They show all the latest, greatest stuff in like aerospace and planes and all that kind of stuff. And then Robert Petroncic and his brother, I believe, is Captain Blas Petroncic over there out of Slovenia. They do some really awesome stuff on the internet. Man, they got like 5,300 subscribers with 376 videos. They do some awesome stuff. And also the AMA Model Aircraft channel is really awesome. It shows you how the models have evolved and the guys that were part of it making it happen. Also Discover RC, those guys are crazy. They do a lot of editing and stuff. I really don't like that editing and all that, but they do have some really good videos. And Casey Stratton, I don't know why this guy doesn't have more views, man. Only 52 subscribers out of 42 videos, but he has some really awesome flights with really cool onboard video. Let's see, Horizon Hobby, of course. Oh, and Innovator 56, this guy, he takes modeling to a whole new level. He has 3.5 thousand subscribers too, and he has all kinds of models, from planes to World War I, World War II, like figurine models, ship models, submarine models. The dude's got all kinds of stuff. And then Meadows RC Movies, I think he mainly does cars and stuff, but anyways, just wanted to give a shout out to all those guys. Really cool RC guys, and love helping you guys out because I want to keep this hobby going, man. So with that being said, I'm going to try to fly this crazy thing and maybe do some stuff. Maybe do some front, back, side to side stunts here. See if we crash or not. All right, man, we got some pretty cool tricks. Almost destroyed it, but hey, we're still going. That's how it goes in RC. Trial and error, flights and crashes. Hopefully this came out good. I turned the low light off, like I said. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but we'll find out. This plane actually flies pretty fast in vertical mode. You can cruise pretty good, just vertical mode. It's pretty cool. I love this plane. It's a very versatile plane. The only thing is when you go to forward flight mode, you cannot get off the sticks. There is no glide ratio to this plane. If you put full throttle down, if you throttle down on this thing, you are gonna fall right out of the sky. So, just to let you know if you do get this plane. Like I said in my last video, this plane is not for beginners. Don't go out and spend a bunch of money on this plane and then try to do this crazy stuff right here, because you will be very sad. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna bring it in for a landing here. My timer's about to run out, especially with all this stuff. Vertical mode, you do not get 5 minutes like you do in forward flight. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut her down so I don't cook my battery and I don't crash for real. All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy it and have a good one. Find the stop button on this recorder. All right, GoPro, stop recording.